welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson and this is my son Raylan. And today we're going to be doing a new kind of recipe for our family. We're going to be trying Chickpea Blondies. And I got this from Vancouver Sam on Instagram. I will leave her handle down in the description below. She has a really awesome Instagram page. If you haven't checked it out, I recommend it because she's mostly plant-based. She's a runner, but she's just got this optimism to her, and she's super friendly and just really kind of upbeat and someone that you just want to know. And at first when I saw this, I was like, that looks really weird. People make black bean brownies all the time, and those are supposed to be good. So I wanted to give these a shot. Throughout this video, I will be showing you guys how it's made and the process of going through the actual cooking. And then at the end of it, we will both be giving it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and we'll get testing. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Basically, all you need to make this recipe is a food processor. So I got mine out with the little blade attachment and pulsed 1/4 cup of oats to make oat flour, which is way cheaper than buying oat flour. So don't do that, do this. Then next I added in my chickpeas, my coconut sugar, and maple syrup, which you need better quality than the stuff I had. So get the good stuff. My leavening agents, salt and vanilla extract, and peanut butter. And I totally forgot to add cinnamon to this. So add some, and then I post it all together, and you want to let this go. I let it run for like 5 minutes to make sure that everything was really nice and combined. And then I put some parchment paper down in an 8x8 pan, and then basically just dumped it in there and leveled it out. And pay attention to any chickpeas that did not get pulsed and processed, because biting into that would be kind of nasty. And then I baked it. And because I didn't have walnuts, I added white chocolate chips, and we poked those all down into the thing so they could melt a little bit and be good. And I put it in the fridge for an hour and then cut it into 9 different blondies. You can do whatever size you want. That's just what Sam did, so that's what I did too. And here is the final result. Mine does not look anything like Sam's, but it is what it is. All right, so these are completely cool. So we're gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. You gonna share one with me?
Sure.
Okay, you take a bite first.
They're kind of like cookies, like white chocolate chip cookies.
So I'm a little conflicted because I can still really taste the chickpeas. It's not a bad flavor. As the bite is kind of going through my taste buds, it's like really sweet, like he said, kind of like a plain cookie base flavor, and then the chickpea is kind of at the end. And then as I took my second bite, the chickpea flavor was already there, so it just kind of stayed. I don't really know like how I really want to rate these because they're still really good. I love how dense and chewy they are. The flavor is really good. Just the chickpea is just kind of, doesn't really belong in a dessert, but it's almost kind of there in a way that's like almost mildly nutty rather than like a bean, if that makes any sense. I mean, I guess I would say 6, just because the flavor's so good. Maybe lessening on the chickpea and adding more oat flour, I think would be a good kind of middle ground. I like what the chickpea flavor does before it goes from nuttiness to chickpea. And this smelled really funky when it was baking because it was like savory and then sweet. It was kind of weird. Like it was kind of throwing my smell sensors out for a loop because I didn't know if I was having something sweet or something savory in my oven. I do know that a lot of vegan desserts do kind of have like an off, kind of different taste to them, kind of like the vegan Snickers that I made a while ago. They just kind of tasted a little funky dunky. But we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us and tasting out this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes tested. Do you have anything else you want to say?
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. You got strawberries on your face.